So let us continue the chapter. We are on point number 3.2, that is hunger, hardship, and popular revolt. Now let us see the condition or the economic status of Europe in 1830. Europe was facing an economic crisis in 1830. The reasons were increase in population all over Europe in the 19th century. Jobs or the employment was less and the people were more. Now, number of people from rural areas, they migrated from rural areas to urban areas so as to seek job. There was a strong competition or a stiff competition among the small producers. Now, if I talk about industrialization, that is England versus Europe, and import and industrialization. Children, we know that industrialization came earlier in England than in Europe. So industries were primarily laid out in England. Import was easily there for the cheap machine-made goods from England. And as a result, the people used to purchase the goods which are cheap and good to look. अब यूरोप में जो बनता था वो partially mechanized था, partially manual. So as a result, the people love to purchase the goods, the imported goods of England because they were cheap and good to look. Now, if I say about the regions of the Europe where aristocracy was still enjoying the power and peasants were still struggling. Why the peasants were struggling? Just because of feudal dues. That year also the harvest was not good. So this led to a widespread pauperism, that is extreme poverty. Pauperism, extreme poverty. Now in the year 1848, as I said you that shortage of food was there, unemployment was there, people or the population of the Paris, they were found to be on the roads. Barricades were erected, जगह जगह barricades लगा दिए गए. And at the end, when such was the situation of the Paris, Louis Philippe, he was forced to flee. वो भाग गया. Now Louis Philippe, when he went away, ultimately National Assembly came into being and it proclaimed a republic. Now when National Assembly was there, it granted suffrage to all the adult males above the year 21 or 21 years in age. And the second thing which was granted was right to work. अब अगर हम right to work grant करते हैं तो that means we need to set workshops. तो हमें workshops rise करनी पड़ेंगी. Now earlier in the year 1845, there was a revolt in a village in Silesia. Now what was the revolt? This revolt was against the contractor. ये revolt contractor के against में था क्योंकि जो weavers थे वो raw materials खरीदते थे contractors से और finished goods उन्हें provide करते थे. Now the payments were already made. Payments पहले से ही decide थी. Now these contractors, when they saw the situation to be worse and employment to be less and people to be more, they used to harass these weavers और इनके payments को reduce कर देते थे. So what happened on 4 June at 2 p.m.? The weavers emerged from their homes and marched in pairs up to the mansion of their contractor demanding higher wages. वो उसके घर तक गए और कहा भाई हमें wages हमारे बढ़ा दिए जाए. But they were treated harshly and their dignity was also at the stake. Now some of the weavers, they broke into the house of the contractor. They smashed the window panes, furniture, everything. At last the contractor was found to be going away or moving away together with his family. Nobody gave shelter in the neighboring village. and he returned to his own place after 24 hours when the army protection was there together with him. When the exchange was going on, or the weavers and the contractor both were in front, 11 weavers were shot.